channel. It's me, De'Ara, aka Ipaintprettyfaces. If you're new here, oh my God, thank you for clicking on this video. I don't know if it was the thumbnail, the title, I don't know what it was, but thank you so much for clicking. I do hope that by the end of this video, you will go ahead and decide to subscribe. That's how confident I am you will enjoy this video. And guess what? If this video don't sell you, girl, it's all good. I got a whole catalog full of videos where I talk about hair, makeup, fashion, keto, weight loss. I talk about it all. So check out 2 or 3 more of those videos. And if you still watching the content, you already know what to do. Anyways, y'all, let's go ahead and get right into this video. I was sent this wig out from a company called Shelahair. Shela, I think that's how you say it. I'll run it across the screen. And the unit actually came in the color 4613. The unit came with 200% density. All of their 613 wigs do come with transparent lace, which was amazing because I think that's definitely what's making this lace look so realistic and beautiful. I have her in the length 22 inches, which sits for me like right at the top of my breast, I guess yeah, right at the top of my breast. I'm 5'9", so if you're a little bit shorter, it may run longer on you. I follow Shelahair on Instagram and I definitely love all of the units. I knew that for my birthday, I wanted to do some type of blonde type of hair. I was just going to honestly leave it the 4613, but I saw this picture. I'm going to go ahead and insert it right here. And I wanted something similar to that effect where I had the dark brown, I had a little bit of like corally color, the blonde on top, and then the dark roots. That's just what I was feeling. And I'm showing y'all how me and my girlfriend, y'all know Kai is a hairstylist, got the process. So we went through a lot to get this custom color process. I know that sometimes when influencers or hairstylists will be like, this is too difficult to explain the custom coloring process. Y'all be like, that's some BS. You are lying and you don't want to help me, girl. But let me tell you, I went through so much. We went through so much. It was definitely a dedicated process to get this color how we wanted to get it. And there's honestly still a little bit of tweaking to go. So custom coloring is just that. I understand that depending on the brands you use and things like that, the coloring may not come out exactly the same. My hair didn't come out like the picture, but guess what? I absolutely still love it. And like I said, I'll have a guide and a step-by-step showing y'all what we did to achieve this particular hair color. I also leave the products down below, so look at all of the products because I do think there is one blonde that we put on and we didn't show on camera, but it will be down in the description box below, so please check out the description box. Now I'm going to show y'all the tutorial and I'm going to show y'all how to do this hair, how to get into it, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to give y'all my thoughts, the real tea on this hair. So if you want to see if it's worth your coins, you're going to keep watching after you see the tutorial. Okay, so for the bottom layer of the hair, we're using a brand called Color Sync and we're using the color 6M. The brown of the hair was all at the base, so that's what we wanted to go for. We left the roots dark throughout this entire unit, so we won't be going over, we're not doing anything to the black. I did that on purpose. I don't know, I really wanted a color that was representative of like my roots were growing out, but I had this awesome, beautiful color job before, but my natural roots are popping. That was the whole vibe that I was feeling with this. So right now what Kai is doing is sectioning off the hair. We clipped off the hair as well on the top. We just have to do everything in layers, so really take your time. Don't get sloppy, don't get lazy. If you want your color to come out popping and you want all of your color to look strategic and flow very well, nice transition for you. And it is definitely easier to not do this on a mannequin head like this. I wish I just got this head, y'all. I want to do it on a styrofoam head when I do coloring now because I totally messed my head up. Y'all will see towards the end, she is looking a hot, terrible mess. Sis looks like she had one too many and she's a mess. Y'all see her. Y'all will see her. Okay, now the next layer is the color 7C, and this is like the copper color, and then at the top is going to be the 10WN. So we've just put in the 7C, and now we're putting in the 10WN. And guys, I had footage of me shampooing this hair out and me blow drying it. I have no idea what happened, but I lost those clips. I'm so sad about that. But basically, this is what the color is going to turn out after. Put deep conditioner on your hair to get that moisture back. Now, my hair does look like it has a slight curl because I wore this wig actually on my birthday, but I am just going to go in and show y'all how I got those curls. I actually like these curls than the curls I actually wore on my birthday, right? So I took a little bit of argan oil in there, and now I'm going to just brush the unit out. Look at that beautiful chocolate brown and the black and how it's popping so nicely. And now I'm going to go in with my Irresistible Me Diamond Hair Extension flat irons. I'll have a coupon code running across the screen so you can get these flat irons, honey. Not only do they straighten your hair to perfection, but look how nice and beautiful and bouncy, juicy this curl is going to be looking. I love flat iron curls for that nice, sexy body wave, Kim K type of look. Look at that beautiful curl. Irresistible Me. Check them out, the Diamond Flat Irons. Link will be down below to where you can purchase them. And as I curl the hair, what I'm going to do is put the flexi rods in the hair, and I'm actually going to roll them in an S curl style formation. So exactly what you see, just twist one end up, the other end down, so that the curls can fall and spiral down in order. I like this, and I think this is what I liked about my hair more so on my birthday. When you do them in the rounds, they're kind of like more like a Shirley Temple type of curl, which can be cute too if that's the aesthetic we're going for. And pretty much this just gets repetitive, so it's just me speeding through, and you know, you're curling, get you a good snack, something you can pop in your mouth and watch the reel or whatever show you like to watch. Love and Hip Hop. I know y'all watching Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. Did y'all see when Sierra threw away Tokyo food? I nearly fainted. The whole pot of food. Anyways, y'all, this is the completed style and how it's going to look. I'm just spraying some holding spray on there. I left that on and I left the style in for maybe about 30 minutes just to let it set. I'm going to go ahead and take the curls out because when I apply my lace fronts, I don't like to do it with any kind of clips or anything. I don't know, it feels like extra weight is on the unit, so I'm not able to lay my unit down as flat as properly. So I always just style it and take it out, and that way once my unit is on my head, I don't have to do anything else. A little bit of fluffing, and that's that. Because after you get through all that lace glue, the lace gluing process, that is like the most tedious process, especially with my hairline. Y'all know that my hairline is a complete and total mess. Throw it away. Does anybody know where I can order a new hairline? Please drop the link down below. This is the finished look, and this is what the curls are going to look like. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply the unit. I'm just using my Gotta Be glue. I'm using the back end of a rat tail comb because I want a nice thin layer, and because the roots here in the front, the baby hairs, right, are a little bit lighter because we did bleach them out all the way. I wanted to make sure there wasn't a lot of chunkiness going on in that hairline. And I'm going to take some of the freezing spray. And y'all know the process of this. We're just freezing, drying, placing when it's nice and good and tacky. And me just trying to melt that right into my hairline. Y'all see how my hairline, it starts really far back, but then it starts to like go outward and almost touch my brows. So I'm very particular on how I have to cut my units. I see that I do need to cut a little bit of the lace off, and I will go back in and do that off camera. Just drying it down and melting it in place, making sure everything looks nice and good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side of the unit, and I think that it was melting pretty good. And after I go ahead and put this scarf on and get this face beat, we're gonna see what the final style is like. I told y'all it was a hell of a process, right? But it was definitely worth it because like I said, I definitely enjoyed my hair. This was my hair for my birthday. Like I said, my 25th birthday, 25. How many of my subscribers is 25? 25 down below. 25, 25, whatever you want to call it. Tell me, are you 25? Are you between the ages of like 25 and 28? I feel like we're in a weird space, sis. We're like really kind of, half of our friends are getting married and engaged. The other half are drinking and nursing their hangovers. Like, what are we doing? Can we talk to each other just to, can y'all say a little prayer for us if you're not in that age group? But seriously, y'all, going back into the hair, this hair is amazing. Y'all see all the processing I did to this hair. And for the hair to already be 613, that was a lot of processing. I had to go back in and re-bleach hair and everything. And I feel like the hair is holding up fine. It still has a lot of shine to it. It's still holding a curl well. It's still just moving healthy and it's bouncing. It's looking and feeling amazing. Sorry about that, y'all. It's looking and it's feeling amazing. I'm super, super happy with the outcome of the hair, and I'm super happy that I haven't had a lot of shedding. I haven't had a lot of tangling. Now, I will say after the bleaching and the coloring and stuff, the hair was particularly a little bit dry, but all I did was use my ORS conditioner. I maybe left the conditioner on there 15 minutes or so, and that was that. Everything was fine after that. All in all, I really do not have any complaints about this hair. Like I said, I feel the hair feels amazing after all of the coloring process. I think the hair looks really amazing. I really hope that this coloring video will help, and I hope that y'all enjoyed. If you want details on this makeup, it is coming up as well. I filmed a makeup tutorial. I just have some golds, some whites, and blues going on. It's a very springtime ready. You know, spring, she's been playing like an inconsistent boyfriend because I don't know if she's here, if she's in my life, if she's not in my life. I don't know what's going on, but hopefully this makeup, I offer this spring makeup to the makeup gods, and then they will offer it to Mother Nature, and the warm weather will just continue to flow in. That's what I'm hoping. So I really love a hair company, or any company for that matter, when not only do they want to look out for me, but they want to look out for my supporters, my day ones. The reason why I sit here on this platform, y'all, I thank y'all so much. Y'all, I'm so freaking grateful and appreciative. So I'm so happy to tell y'all that Shelahair did offer me a coupon code, which is DERA20. It will also be down in the description box to save $20 off of, guess how much? $188. Girl, this hair is $188 for some premium Brazilian hair that can take color, that can take curl, that's not shedding, that's a transparent lace, so you don't gotta bleach the knots. I mean, it's an absolute, it's absolutely a no-brainer. So definitely check them out. Check out this unit and check out any other units. As always, comment below and let me know, how did you enjoy this video, and any other units that you would like to see from me, or any colors you want to see from me. Thank y'all. Please share this video. I'll see y'all next time. Stay pretty.